last year in May, started doing YouTube videos. Started on a fucking demo account, bro. Started signal botting fucking Mamba effects.
Selling it. We're selling off here.
Right, we're in. I press what he has, and that's it.
Light sell, nothing crazy.
Didn't have a clue what I was doing, bro. Bro, I was blowing accounts every fucking month, week, day. I could not get a payout to save my fucking... Yeah, we are going to take a payout on live. As you can see, this is on one of the accounts here.
You got heads in here as well at this point. Come on, Shen.
Alright, yo, boys, this is day 8 of live trading until I get a fucking payout. Now, watch. We went and only did it. Now, in this video, you're going to watch me take a payout live. I've traded every single fucking day on live stream. And I told you boys this was going to happen. And you know what? I called it. I believed in myself. I bet on myself. And I did it all fucking live. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care whenever shit goes wrong, boys, I get back up on the horse. You've seen it time and time again. I've blown accounts. I've gone on tilt. Bro, so many losing days. So many periods of loss. You know what I'm saying? This shit does happen. This is the reality of trading. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Right? Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. And don't let the internet fool you as if this is some shit that's just easy and is going to come overnight, because it don't. It don't at all. You might have the anomalies here and there, but boys, this shit takes time. And boys, I've worked my ass off. And the thing is, this is only one payout. Now, I could lose everything this week, tomorrow, go on tilt, fucking fuck this shit up again. But you know what I'll do? I'll come back on here and I'll tell you, boys, shit went south. But instead, what I'm going to tell you is, in a few weeks, you're going to watch me take a $10,000, $20,000 payout, and I'll fucking put that on all your head tops. So do not continue trying shit if you want to get proven wrong. That's all I'll say. Now, you can be saying I'm egotistical, I'm being arrogant. What I say is, it's fucking delusional belief. Now, if you want to be successful, look at all the most successful people in this fucking world. They all had some sort of delusional belief. When everyone doubts them, when everyone says they can't do something, they don't give a fuck, bro. And that's me right now. So I'm going to show you in this video. I'm a little bit tired in the morning because it is obviously early in the morning for me when I do these videos. But yo, London session, we're fucking smashing it. And yeah, man, let's get into the video, boys. So look, boys, I am about to start this stage. I'm about to go live for London session this morning. On this, I'm going to not only trade, but I'm going to take a payout in front of all the people. Obviously, not everyone's in here yet, because I've not started the stage. But I'm going to be taking a payout from Apex on multiple accounts. So this should be fucking sick. Start this shit. Whoa. Yo.
But if we break up
Order filled.
again, if you don't want to get in it, I completely get it. It is a little hesitant. This could just straight fucking nail me off. Oh, I wanted shorts as well, dickhead.
Order filled.
Oh, dickhead, I was way too aggressive with that cut. Bro. If it comes back up, then I'm probably not gonna take it. Nah, I'm not liking price enough to jump in that. Like, well, I may just had one of them days in it where it hits the stops and fucking plays out, which I'm not too fussed about, innit? I think one of the big things for me at the minute is just able to take a loss and be okay with it, and not fucking start triggering and getting back in and doing stupid shit. That's the big thing. But this broke out second time, still not really doing much. But we're getting a lot of wicks to this downside. This is kind of like what I'm waiting for. Exactly like that. But if it don't play out, it don't play out. Miss Independent. If it does break, I want to see a little pullback though. Yeah, that's what I want to see. A little fucking retracement chat, you get me? Yeah. It's nice.
Order filled.
Short. Again, I don't usually take 2 trades, but this morning I am. I don't think I've lost 2 trades in one session on London session in fucking weeks, months. I can't remember the last time I've done it. When you got a wick that big on the 5, it's failed a fake out. Usually it reverses in the opposite direction pretty fucking strong. So that's what I'm looking for right now. That's more like it. Just need to continue though, innit? Oh, for fucking doodle doos. I was about to go break even then as well. Could just be a retest. Just fucking push, man. Very indecisive morning. Oh, God, what is it doing? Alright, if we flip now, I'm then going to go break even. If we come back up now, I'm off break even. I'm now break even on this trade.
Order filled.
It's wigging around too much. It's probably going to still go down, but... Oh, of course it fucking is. It plays out. Oh, for fucking doodle doos. Jesus Christ. Gonna be one of them, innit? Just gonna watch it hit take profit. It's gonna stop me out twice and fucking hit take profit. Oh, and there it goes. And there it goes.
Look, boys, there's nothing more jarring than watching a trade that you just was in and you just entered and it hits your stop loss and then hits take profit. And like in a fashion like this as well, just like shits the bed and sits straight through it. Like, oh shit, dropping my phone. Fuck. I'm still recording, yeah? I just shits the bed and just absolutely just sinks. Nothing more jarring than that when that happens, right? But the takeaway from this now, every time I lose, there's always a lesson. There's something I have to analyze, something I have to learn from the loss. The lesson I walked away with from this was understanding that walk away from a loss and be okay, especially in very frustrating circumstances like this, right? We've already just taken a loss on this one, and then we watch it now just dumping here at take profit. Seconds to the point after just being hit break even. The lesson is being able to walk away and not overtrade and controlling the emotions, because that's the hard bit, right? This whole strategy is 95% psychology. We all know the strategy. You take the enter after the fucking break. It's that simple. It's the psychology that's the hard bit. It's the mastering of your actual mind that makes this shit hard. The lesson I learned from this was just like observing that, look, walking away from a loss is okay. And you just come back tomorrow. It's a statistics game. It's probability, isn't it? So keep it moving.
Ah, dear kid. You secured your first payout. Oh, that's sick, man. I'm fucking taking payouts. Man, that's lit. When you get them reversal trades, when you get the reversals, bro, you can trail them. They just shit themselves. Like,
again, look at this. This is a play out that I see play out so much. It's failed breakout, and then you get the reversal and watch. I'll show you the same example on I believe Tuesday on this day. Exact same play out. Look, we end up breaking support, but we don't manage to push all the way up. And then create a trend line, and I wait for the break. Boom, the volume just flies in. This is such a common, and this is the only time I'll take a second trade when I see this type of setup. Usually, besides that, I'm taking one setup. That's it. One trade, I'm done. But this, I like this. I like this a lot. Alright, here we are, boys. On the live stream. Got a few fucking heads in here. We are going to take a payout on live. Like I said I was. And fucking, yeah, man. Let's do it.
alright, out of this account, we're going to take 1.7k. Just shy. Submit. Oh, brother, what are you doing? Right, we've just requested 1.7k out of this account. I'm going to request another payout out of this one, I believe. I'll request 1,300, just shy of it again. And boys, this is on 2 accounts. There we go. Right, boom. Payout submitted successfully. We've just withdrawn $3,000, and that's just from 2 accounts. You got heads in here as well at this point. Come on, Shen. There it is, boys. Fucking come on. Just from 2 accounts, bro. There's a reason why I've just stacked up and fucking got 13. So next time we do that shit, we'll pull out fucking 20 bags, bro. And I'll do that all live as well. It's already happened. It's already fucking happened. It's just, bro, I'm telling you, I told you all, man. Watch. This year, time, fucking, it's just gonna catch up, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm fucking saying, bro? So,
Just before we continue, boys, just to make sure that for those that like sit behind a keyboard, right? Sit behind a keyboard and chat shit about my name, right? You know who you are, yeah? Brandon this, Brandon that, you fucking faggot. Bruv, let me just understand this. Just understand this one thing. Last year, right? Last year, you can go back to my entire channel. Go back to the first ever video. Last year in May. How do I start YouTube? Started doing YouTube videos. Started on a fucking demo account, bro. Started signal botting fucking Mamba effects. Didn't have a clue what I was doing, bro. Clarity Traders accounts. If you remember the Clarity Traders fucking days, bro, you are OG. Like, that is early days, bro. Bro, blowing accounts every fucking month, week, day. I could not get a payout to save my fucking ass, bro. No, just understand. This is nothing crazy. This is just scratch on the surface, bro. This is nothing, bro. This is nothing, but this is just something. This is like, understand, bro, the statistics, bro. Man don't even touch payouts. Man don't even touch fucking bread in trading. All they do is lose. This is just that little bit of hope. You know, that taste of hope. You know when you've just been sat there in your room, looking at yourself in a fucking mirror, like wondering why you cannot make shit work, failing over and over and over again, blowing your account, over trading, you just can't stop it, and you fucking hate yourself for doing it. And then all of a sudden, on the flip side, now you're pulling out money. You know how that works in the brain? That's like a positive reinforcement. It's like reward. Wow, like this shit is possible. Like I can lose money, but I can also make money. Like this is real. Like this shit, bro, it's real, fam. It's mad. So yo, check it. As you can see, this is on one of the accounts here. Boom. 1.7k. Pending. That's one account. One account. Let me pull up the other account. In fact, here, 1.3k pending. I don't know about you, but that's around 3 racks. I spent $200 on them accounts, bro. You know what I'm saying? Another thing I should mention as well. This is the first few weeks of me ever trading on fucking London session with funded accounts. What I would do is, and what the mistake is I would find so much momentum in London, I would pass all my accounts in London session and then go trade them on New York, and I'd get fucked. I don't know why, I just would. London session, but with London, I found so much consistency. Like, bro, check the P&L. This is January. I was passing accounts all in this month of January this year, and I put them all on New York and got fucked. This is what happened. Remember when I got max allocated on Top Step? Remember when I got fucking max allocated on Top Step? I passed all my accounts. Boom. Funded. This is New York, by the way. Boom. Went on the biggest losing streak. The biggest losing streak I'd ever been on. Posted it all up. You all saw it. Went on tilt. Blue accounts. Everything went shit. Same time. But in the same chorus, brother. That was January for the London session. I took 2 losses the entire month. February. Boom. Green. This month. Like, bruh, can't make this shit up. So hypothetically, if I continue with the same momentum and the same, win rate, just about, if not better, bruh, I'm going to be fucking collecting cash. I'm already halfway to passing another 8 accounts that I should pass next week. And then the week after that, I'll be on my way to taking a fucking payout from 13 accounts. Not 2. This is 2. Bro, this whole shit is being documented in real life. Like, real fucking time, boys. Like, yo, do you know how long and how much effort it takes for me to sit here, edit these videos, analyze them, do the sheets, document the sheets, make sure everything's up to scratch, and like, yo, just put myself out there and do this shit for free. Trading's hard as it is, and then the live trading on top of it, the pressure, fucking hell. Some of y'all don't have a fucking clue. You want to sit there. I've seen some of you people, I've seen some of you, man, talking shit, and I laugh and I think, you fucking dickhead. You know why? She's been at this shit for years, and you're seeing young dogs come in and fucking run it up way quicker than you ever have seen in your life. So, bro, fuck a hater, and I'm gonna keep doing me, innit? Big up to everyone grinding. Big up to everybody locked in right now. Big up to everyone. If you're sat behind the camera right now, I want you to ask yourself this one thing. Are you going all in? Are you locked in? Are you going as hard as you possibly fucking could? Because if you are, big up, big the fuck up. And if you're not, this is me, this big bro, be like, yo, boys, lock the fucking, there's a reason why my code is locking. Because I'm telling you what, we need to lock the fuck, this isn't not just fucking playground. You can't just like fucking come in here and dabble with it. You gotta go all in, bro. This shit's hard. You have to literally master your fucking psychology and mind. You have to change your perception of fucking reality, bro. You have to do less to make more. You have to fucking be patient when you can never be patient. Bro, it's fucked. This is mind games, bro. But yeah, man, big up to everybody joining the lives. Again, if you do want to trade with me live, it is completely free in the morning. And the next stage will be me attempting to go for a 10k payout. But with the amount of accounts I've got, it will probably likely end up being more if they all get passed and we continue. So I'm going to bet on myself. I'll put it out there to the fucking universe, put it out there to YouTube. You all see this before it's happened, right? And yeah, just sit here, edit the videos, make shit happen. Look at the #1 goal up there. 10k payout from trading only. That's right. I'm going to do that shit. I'm going to do that shit. So yeah, boys, just keep moving. Oh yeah, London also New York session today. Poured in 2 racks. That's with Apex. Fucking blew my lucid dinner, thinking I was on demo. Passed it in 2 days, blew it the day after. I didn't realise I was on fucking my actual account. I was playing around on a demo. Because if you know a demo, Lucid have demo accounts, TradeC has demo accounts. Anyway. Yo boys, big up to every single one of you, supporting, subscribing, commenting. I fucking love it when man comment. Don't hesitate, don't be shy to comment. I will probably very likely reply. It's love, man. Big up to you all. Wish you all the best. Wish everybody nothing but the success they deserve. And yeah, that's it from me. Peace. I'm done for the week now anyway, boys. I'm down 1 hour on that trade, but I'm up. What am I up this week?